All right, so we're finished. It's empty. So we're going to change this. So we'll pop that open. We'll take that off. Pull that out of here. Don't reuse them because they come in the tops of the caps. And then listen, and you'll hear all the gas come out of the air. Not gas, air. Hang on. Coming out the bottom of that. Excuse the state, we're doing Sunday dinner. So, that is still nice and blue because the refrigerator has actually got ice in there, isn't it? Yeah, there are bits of ice at the bottom of that. So, it's nice and cold. So, keep that there. Put this in the recycle. And we go to the garage fridge, which is where I kept all the bottles. Spare fridge result. So we've got Heineken, Tiger. Now the wife likes that. See the little blue, that's ready to go. That means that's cold enough to be served. So what I think we'll do, we'll go for the Heineken because I like the Heineken. That's ready to go. So back into the kitchen. Not long now, mate. I'll fill you back up again. Right. Let's move this out of the way. To there. Oh, mind you, you've got to see me opening this, haven't you? So, what I do, because I'm a little bit anal, I like to keep that, like that, and pop off the cap, and there it is. And that comes with it for free. Okay, and then that then gets pushed in there, and then you do that. And back over to the bad boy. Open it up. Label up. You don't have to, it's just me again. And that noise means it's gassing it up. Click that on, down there, and then put that on. Look, turn it around. And then I always make sure that's free. That's it. We're ready. And there it is. All ready for the next lot. Obviously, look how much gas is in there. That's ridiculous. But I just leave it a couple of minutes and then it all just goes down. And then I drink it and then fill it back up. And then I drink it and then fill it back up. There you go. Enjoy, guys.